Right, today I'm going to build a rainwater harvesting system above my compost pile. Morag's here spectating. Let's do it.
Fuck being good, I'm a bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to live. Black hoes hate under my pictures on the gram. Bitch, you better hope I never run across your man. In the mall with him, I'ma have a ball with him. Somebody call Rihanna, I'ma buy some draws with him. He fucking with the stallion cause he in the wild with me. Put the legs on his head, now he done tall women. You'll never catch me calling these niggas daddy. I ain't lying by my nut just to make a nigga happy. Lifestyle when a nigga can't fit a magnum. It never happened if the pink things happen. I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit. On my outfit, I don't text quick, cause I ain't thirsty. These bitches mad, they wanna hurt me. I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit. Finish income on my outfit, I don't text quick, cause I ain't thirsty. These bitches mad.
This is what you don't see online. It's a total bodge job, and you're not allowed to judge me for it, because honestly I'm judging myself for it. So look at this work of art. Oh yes, absolutely phenomenal. I've outdone myself here. Like, this is what happens when it'd be like a 2-hour round trip to shop for parts. You just do an absolute bodge job, but hey, it should work. Not my first rodeo. Definitely done something like this before in the pig's pen.